Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking onto my Weather Extra. Lots happening in the weather department in the coming days. In the near term, it's basically the same old weather pattern, the same ocean storm and associated upper low that's been affecting us with on and off snow showers over the last 3 or 4 days continues to do that again tonight. This is the next and last batch of snow showers moving from northeast to southwest tonight. Notice a lot of these snow showers are just breaking up as they enter into southern and central Maine. But don't be shocked to see some snowflakes. Very light accumulations are possible. I'm talking maybe a coating to as much as an inch in a few spots later on tonight. But again, there should be a few snow showers. A nice look back from our Raymond sky cam this afternoon. Let's take a look at that one more time. At times, of course, we had lots of sun. At times, we had a lot of clouds. And of course, we had some on and off rain and snow showers as well. This right here is a quick rain shower that parked itself right in front of our Raymond sky cam this afternoon, looking off to the west, back toward the White Mountains in New Hampshire. That's more likely some virga. Virga is rain that evaporates before it has a chance to hit the ground. So a nice shot there from our Raymond sky cam this afternoon. Okay, tonight's satellite radar wider view is showcasing our storm to our east. That will start to move out, and our next storm system is on deck, so let's widen out even further here. The East Coast view of tonight's satellite radar shows an area of low pressure right in here, moving up through Tennessee and Kentucky. We're going to see another area of low pressure develop in the Chesapeake Bay region. Now, this storm system that forms, this big ocean storm, is going to lead national headlines here. Going into our Wednesday and Thursday, not only are we going to see a lot of snow in parts, we're going to see some rain, some coastal flooding, and some strong wind as well, basically from the Chesapeake Bay all the way up into southern New England. I think southern New England gets the worst out of this one. Let's track it together on Storm Tracker. This is the latest run of the RPM model. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We have our storm system developing east of the Carolinas at this point, or east of the Chesapeake Bay. This storm is going to become a sizable ocean storm. It's going to be a very large storm, and it's going to be moving very slowly. We are going to be on the extreme northern edge of that here in northern New England, which is going to make for a particularly tricky forecast. Where have we heard that one before? This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. Notice how we are right on the edge here in northern New England. And this one may actually end up behaving very similarly to the storm we had a few weeks ago. Remember the one we had on Sunday a few weeks ago where the coastal low was just, or the ocean low was just too far to our southeast for a big impact. Instead, we had to rely on its associated inverted trough. So that's something we need to watch as we head into the late day hours on Thursday. The storm is going to be a slow mover. I expect very sharp cutoffs between a lot of snow over southern New England and possibly southern New Hampshire and southern Maine, and really not much at all over central and eastern parts of Maine. We'll try to pinpoint that for you in just a moment. Hour by hour in Storm Tracker. Again, this one is run off the RPM model as well, about 3 o'clock in the morning. I stopped it here because we have snow showers rotating through. Temps running in the lower to mid-30s. Those temps may be a little bit too warm. But here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Some snow showers exiting the region. Tomorrow will be dominated by a lot of clouds. There will likely be some snow showers. There will likely be some rain showers, maybe even a little bit of drizzle from time to time. But I don't anticipate anything too intense tomorrow. If you get any light accumulations, it'll probably melt during the day with high temps around 40 degrees. Now, the main event arrives on Thursday. So far, we have a winter storm watch out for Rockingham County in New Hampshire that runs from the morning hours on Thursday right through Friday morning. So it's mainly a Thursday storm. Notice as that storm system gets going to our south, we're on the edge of it, bringing in some snow, 7 o'clock, especially over southern zones. Here we are at 6 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. We're still looking at some snow. There's the chance for a little bit of mix at the immediate coast. But again, a sharp cutoff is expected between northern parts of the viewing area, eastern parts of the viewing area, and southern parts of the viewing area. And I'll try to pinpoint that here in a Snow Tracker tonight. This takes us through 8 o'clock in the evening tomorrow. Again, accumulations are not going to be a big deal. Wednesday should be really a quiet day with just a lot of clouds with some on and off snow and rain showers. Now, as we head into Thursday, that's when things really start to change a little bit. Notice this sharp cutoff. Boy, this is going to make for a tricky forecast, right? This one run off the RPM model. Heavy snowfall over extreme southern York County, Rockingham County, possibly Stratford County, and we're only talking 20 miles here. 30 miles in some spots, and these snowfall totals are going to drop off significantly. So we just need to watch this. This is a preliminary look here, and again, these numbers will probably change a little bit because this is just one forecast model. Close to 5 inches in Portland, close to 10 or 11 inches down in Portsmouth, close to an inch there in Freiburg, maybe an inch or two in Augusta and Rockland. So you get the general idea. I don't think it's going to be a huge deal for most of central Maine and possibly even parts of southern Maine as well. It's a bigger deal for southern New Hampshire and extreme southern parts of York County. This is another forecast model that we run in-house here. This one is microcast, 6-kilometer model, and the same general idea. In Portland, probably a few inches of snow out of this one, heading back to the Sebago Lake region. It's probably a 2 to 5 or 3 to 6. My early thoughts, again, stay tuned to the forecast tomorrow because we're looking at only a few miles here, and that's going to make a big difference. Up toward Lewiston, maybe an inch or two. Same in Augusta, the Rockland area, probably not much at all. But look at this, southern York County, heading down to the Portsmouth area, Kittery region, Elliott, heading back into Rochester, New Hampshire. Yeah, there could be spots that get 6 to as much as 10 inches of snow. And again, that sharp cutoff is expected somewhere between York County and Cumberland County. That's our early thoughts on how it's going to play out. But again, a very tricky forecast, so stay tuned. Winter storm watches have been issued from Thursday morning through Friday morning. That is for Rockingham County in our viewing area that extends south down to southern New England. The forecast again for tomorrow doesn't look too bad. We just have a lot of clouds around, chance for rain or snow showers. Thursday is the main event. Heavy snow south, a plowable snow is certainly possible south. And one thing I haven't mentioned too much, the wind will start to pick up tomorrow, and you'll definitely feel the wind on Thursday. We'll have winds gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. Let's take a look at the full 7-day forecast now. Friday, we'll see some improvement. The snow moves out. We'll see Saturday showcasing lots of sunshine. I think a nice looking weekend. Mostly sunny skies on Saturday, a few more increasing late day clouds on Sunday, and there will probably be some rain or rain showers re-entering the forecast early next week. Check out those temps though. The only real cold day in the forecast is Thursday when we have our snow moving in. The longer your inland forecast is not much of a change there, but again, Thursday is the big deal that we need to keep an eye on. It's probably not a major snowstorm for a good chunk of Maine, but you head down to extreme southern Maine, southern New Hampshire, we could be talking about a different scenario here, so stay tuned in the coming days. I'll have another update coming up on News 13 at 11 tonight. Of course, Craig will have the latest first thing tomorrow on Daybreak. Have a nice night.